So this is example 2 and 4e. A ship is traveling at 3I plus j. So we have the velocity of p is equal to 3I plus j. It's 1j, so we'll give it a 1 in a minute. It's in kilometers. The second ship Q is traveling at 10 kilometers an hour. We're asked to find the velocity of Q, so we're looking for the velocity of Q. So that's what we'll call xi plus yj. And the other information we're given: to an observer on P, Q appears to be traveling in a northeasterly direction. So Q appears to be traveling in a northeasterly direction, so the velocity of Q relative to P is northeasterly, which we'll come back to now in a minute. So we also want the velocity of Q relative to P in terms of x and numbers. So it's going to be the velocity of Q minus the velocity of P, which in this case we have x minus 3 in our I direction, and then in our j direction we're going to have y, and this is our 1, so y minus 1 in the j direction. And because of this northeasterly direction, we can say that x minus 3 is equal to y minus 1, or x is equal to y plus 2, or y is equal to x minus 2. So what else have we got? We have Q is traveling at 10 kilometers an hour. So we have Q here. So the magnitude of Q is equal to 10. So we can say the square root of x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. So x squared plus y squared must be equal to 100. So we sub in our x is equal to y plus 2, we get an answer. So we're going to get y plus 2 squared plus y squared is equal to 100. So y squared plus 2y twice plus 4y plus 4 plus y squared. I'm going to bring the 100 across. So we're going to get 2y squared plus 4y minus 96 is equal to 0. So y squared plus 2y minus 48 is equal to 0. So that's going to give me an 8 sixes are 48. So y times y, we need plus 2, so plus 8 minus 6. So y is equal to minus 8 or plus 6. So two solutions for y, we'll give two solutions for x, and maybe one of them is wrong. Let's have a look here. X is equal to y plus 2, so x is equal to minus 8 plus 2, which is minus 6. So we have minus 6i minus 8j, or x is equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. So we're going to have 8i plus 6j. So can both of these be correct, or is one of them correct? Let's have a look. So let's have a look here. Velocity Q relative to P, we got to be x minus 3 times I plus y minus 1 times j. X minus 3 times I plus y minus 1 times j. So this is my velocity of Q relative to P. So we have two solutions. We have this guy and this guy. So we're going to have, when x is minus 6, we're going to get minus 6 minus 3 in the I direction, plus minus 8 minus 1, these are my x and y values, in the j direction, which is minus 9i minus 9j. Now that actually minus minus is going down in this direction, which is in a southeasterly direction or southwesterly direction. And in the other scenario, the velocity of Q relative to P is going to be, we have a positive 8 and a positive 6. So we're going to get 8 minus 3 in the I direction, and we're going to get in y minus 1, we're going to get 6 minus 1 in the j direction, which is equal to 5i plus 5j. and that's going positive, positive, which is up in this direction, so that's going north east. So what did they tell us in the question? It appears to be traveling northeast. Okay, so it can't be the first one, so this is the correct solution here, this one here. So that would give this value here for Q.